No, the first visit of an Asante to Anlo took place in 1865.
1865.
Yes, and it was done by Kwakudua the first.
Nana Kwakubia.
The first. You know, you have Chuma, Chukobina Manti, Otiakete, Obiri Ebwa, Osetu. Do you know that song? You don't know the song, but I know it. So Kwakudua the first came, and he came with Akwamuhini, and they signed in Anloga here a tripartite alliance. You know that Ashantis have no coastline. They tried their advantage, they refused to give them contact with the Europeans. They tried their guns, they refused. And you know, they know you have coast. So they came to the Anlo, and we embraced them. So in 1865, they signed a treaty called Tripartite Alliance. Kwakudua the first represented the Ashantis. Now he gave a sword of honor to the Abadada that was a hall. Another condition which they entered was that because they don't want to fight one another, there should be Anloga as a town established in Kumasi.
Okay. So that
Yes.
wow.
And Kumasi established in Anloga here. So Anloga now, there is a place called Kumasi. But you people refuse to come and settle there.
Okay.
But we settle in Kumasi.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
And then there was one sister of one of the Asantehinis called Amasawa. Amasawa was put in a shrine here, and the fetish priest married her. So they had descendants here. And Hiambok family is a descendant of that Amasawa. And so that place was put there so that when they want to return to Ashanti, there is a place for them in Anloga. So this kind of relationship was long before. So when we came to Akwasidai Festival in 2018, we told the Ashanti people that this is not a new relationship, it's an old relationship. And the gifts we gave drink to cement the relationship. We gave shallot. You know, shallot is used to season food, so that we can season the relationship so that it can be edible. You understand? So gave salt, which is our goal, to preserve the relationship. So Anlo and Ashanti are war allies. When Asante was coming from the Manshare, we were watching him. You know how he danced? They gave me palm front. He was dancing the palm front.
What does it mean?
I'll ask you.
Okay.
Then after that, they gave me a